Let me do a small demo for you. With one tick up, one letter, how you form more letters effortlessly. Let me show you how tick up, tick down method makes letter formation faster and joining smoother. For an example, a tick up and a frame create a letter C. Now see the magic. The same C becomes A, same C becomes a letter D, same C formation you create a letter G, same C becomes a letter Q, same C joining and you become O, same C backward C normal C become an X, tick up and a C become letter E. Now a simple frame and a foundational letter C, you create 8 letters. This method you achieve perfect joining between letters and maintain consistent spacing. For example, when we join tick up A and tick up B, you will notice the space between them is exactly equal. Now try Y and Z. Tick down Y and tick number 7 Z. Again, the spacing is perfectly equal. Many unscientific handwriting books teach you to start M one way and N another, which make it confusing when you join them. It's often hard to tell whether the letter is M or N. But with the tick up, tick down method, both M and N begin with a tick down. This makes joining effortless and ensure that M and N remains clear, distinct and easy to identify. With this program, you can master handwriting effortlessly in few hours. Our focus is not on writing more, but on writing correctly. By training your mind with just 5 letters, you will naturally develop 26 letters, joining, size, slanting, and even speed quickly and effectively.
Get your handwriting kit today and transform your writing in just a few hours. Our advanced self-learning training kit guarantees 100% results.